Retro.
Alright, so you're probably wondering why someone would put a Harley exhaust on a Yamaha. Alright, well let's start from the beginning. In the last few clips you saw the original exhaust from the XJ600. My original plan was to cut and shorten them, but that didn't work out so well. So plan B started when I made a trip to a motorcycle junkyard. In a pile of exhausts, I found two that I kind of liked, and I went to purchase them. I was told they were off a Harley Sportster. They had some scratches on them, and I ended up paying only $40 for the pair. I wasted no time and started cutting everything up. I went to test fit the exhaust, and it looked like they were going to work. So I lined everything up, tacked the exhaust in place, then I took the exhaust off and continued welding with the trusty Harbor Freight welder. And after some questionable welds, the exhaust was one piece. After another test fit, I proceeded to do the same to the other side. And, well, these were the results.
Got